So what are you making today, babe?
We are making a cheese ball. If you guys follow me, you know I have quite a few cheese ball recipes out there. A lot of different ones. This one is going to be with olives and pickles. It is the holidays, so it's kind of like a holiday one. But not, you can do it whenever. But we're going to get into this. I don't like cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. We're gonna mount it up. We're in a temperature switch relay. You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here, I can't step back and
Okay, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
First, I'm going to put my room temperature, 1 package. I always, excuse me, I always try to make cheese balls with 1 package. It's cheaper. You just stick stuff in it, and it is a cheese ball. And I'm just gonna kind of lock that in there, like that. And then we can't waste this step, so gotta get that off. I'm just trying not to get my hands all dirty. Okay, now I need to cut up. I'm gonna put this over here for a minute. And bring that over here. Because we are going to chop up olives. So I'm doing a 1/2 cup of, these are medium-sized olives, and I'm just going to cut them in half with one of my other Cutco knives. No, I don't get sponsored. So they're just gonna be like that. You kind of want to keep them like that, even if you want to chop them up more because you think they're too big. When you start stirring them, they may break up a little bit. So I just like to keep them like this. And plus, who doesn't like a chunk of olive? Yeah. Watch out for your fingers. All right. So we got all our olives halved like that. Now, we gotta put a dill pickle in it. These are baby dills. I only use baby dills in cheese balls because they don't mush up. If you use the big pickles, you know, the big pickles that you buy like this in the pickle jar and you eat them, that's fine, but if you start chopping that thing up and putting it in here, it's just gonna become mush. Because these are pretty, you know, they're pretty solid. Okay. And then I'm just going to make them about like that. Because you want to taste it, but you don't want to, like, be chewing on a pickle.
I'm watching my mic peek out.
I wasn't going to do it too fast with my fingers. No. There's that. Okay, these are all things I don't need anymore. My garbage bowl. Okay. Now we are going to put in a few seasonings. Not a lot. You don't really want to overtake what's going on in here. we are gonna put in salt. We're gonna put in some dill weed. Gives it just a little something extra. I forgot this on.
That's when you haven't thrown away yet.
Yep. And then we're gonna do pepper. Black pepper. I think that's good. About 1 teaspoon. Now we're gonna mix this up. Everything's cleaned up, and now we're gonna stir it. So I'm just kind of like gonna mush up the bottom a little bit, because when I start stirring, I don't want to. I'm not trying to mush the olives. I just want them to mix together. Because this is a chunky thing. This is not something like if you like chunky sauces and whatever. Yeah.
I felt like I was chasing it across the table.
Yeah, because I'm stirring and it's moving. The bowl is sliding. Okay, so I'm trying to just make sure that I got everything cheesed up in here. Yeah, I think we do. Because I don't want to overdo it, because I still want the chunks in there.
Oh, look at that, it's already forming a cheese ball.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, so now, let's see. That's going to be absolutely delish. I'm gonna put that over there for my husband to lick. Okay, now you can use, I guess, plastic wrap. I use parchment because that's just what I have around the house. It works just the same. And it wants to roll up though. And put it like that. So I'll stop trying to roll up while I'm trying to work with it. Okay, so now I'm just going to scrape this as much as a ball form you can get before you get out on the thing. And then you just scrape all that out of there. Put it on there. Can't leave stuff in here. My husband's probably thinking, no, leave stuff in there.
Well, I get access to the cheese ball too, so I'm good.
I know. I'm just kind of making this more of a ball so I don't have to squish as much when I'm putting it in there. Okay. Now I'm just going to wrap it up. So I just kind of like just bring up the corners. Try not to squeeze any of that down there. I just kind of wrap it like that, and then I kind of just form it a little bit. Make sure it's more like a bowl. Yep, I think it's ready to go in. Looks like a pumpkin now.
Hershey's Kiss.
It's gotta go chill for at least an hour. You can chill this a lot longer though. We just went shopping, so kind of looks a little. I'm gonna stick it way back here though. We don't want any heat from opening up the fridge. Okay, See you in an hour. It's been an hour, maybe slightly over an hour. But I've been checking on it to see the softness of it. No, it's been an hour. It's been an hour. And it is ready. It's still a little bit more mold. It's still a little moldable because I'm just kind of making it more round. But it's definitely not going to stick. I'm going to try to get it more like... Yeah, it doesn't stick. I mean, there's a little bit on there, but not really. So the cheese ball is ready. Now I'm going to put... You can put whatever you want on. You can put pea chips. We're doing Triscuits. You can do crackers, whatever. It's good on everything.
I didn't open that.
No, I had to do it myself. I'm just going to put some down because I want my family to eat this. I'm just using the plain Triscuits because I don't want it to take away from the flavor of the cheese ball. You think that's enough?
Oh, I think so.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Wait. No, I'm gonna do a few more.
A few more, baby.
We'll do a few more. Yeah, let's put some over here. I'm obsessed. Stop it. Stop recording me. No, okay. I'm done. I'm done.
No, you're not.
Okay, I'm done. We are done. Okay. So this is the olive pickle cheese ball. We're serving it with Triscuits. You can serve it with whatever you want. But yeah, if you like what I'm doing, like, subscribe, ring the bell, comment, tell me how I'm doing. I guess nicely. But yeah, so we're gonna dig into this in a minute. Like actually right now. Bye.
Yeah, we are.